Namaskar and welcome to Varshaa's versatile channel. My best wishes to all the viewers on the Makara Sankranti day. Sweet Pongal, Sakkarai Pongal is a popular dish of South India which is being prepared during rituals, marriage ceremonies and festivities like Makara Sankranti day. In this video, I am going to prepare sweet pongal. I hope you would enjoy this video and the recipe too. मुझे आशा है आपको ये रेसिपी बहुत ही पसंद आएगी. Let's get started. चलिए देखते हैं. Here is what you need to prepare a sweet pongal. Ingredients: raw rice 1 cup, moong dal 1 cup, chana dal half cup, jaggery half kg, coconut chunks 1 cup, cashew nuts and raisins 1 cup, ghee 1 cup, cardamom powder 1 teaspoon. Add the rice, moong dal and chana dal together in a bowl and rinse 3 to 4 times and soak in the water for half an hour. Boil the rice and dal in the pressure cooker till it gets cooked. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan and add the coconut chunks and fry it till it turns golden brown color. Once the coconut chunks are fried, add a cup of raisins and cashew nuts along with the coconut chunks and fry it till it becomes golden brown color. Transfer the fried coconut chunks, cashew nuts and raisins into a plate and set it aside. To prepare a jaggery syrup, pour the jaggery in the pan, add 2 cups of water and bring it to boil till you get the desired consistency. Once the jaggery gets dissolved in the water, remove it from the gas stove and filter the jaggery syrup in a bowl. Add the cooked rice and 2 cups of water in the pan and boil it. Add the jaggery syrup in the cooked rice and give a good mix till it gets combined well. Add the ghee in the sweet pongal and stir it continuously. Pour the fried coconut chunks, cashews and raisins in the sweet pongal and give a good stir. Add the cardamom powder and mix it well. Finally, pour the coconut milk in the sweet pongal to enhance the taste and combine well. Garnish the sweet pongal with fried coconut chunks, raisins and cashews as a topping. Now the sweet pongal, Sakkarai pongal is ready to taste. Thanks for joining me, viewers. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give a big like, comment below and subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon. I shall meet you again in my next video with another recipe. Till then, happy cooking!